December 31st, we got a situation here, recording this before it disappears. What was it? Okay, right here. We got a X-class flare. Look at that beam straight up. I've seen this before. This is nothing new. This is coming from SDO. There's another one I want to catch. There, right there. See the beam right there? Tie this in together in a little bit. There's another one right there. Just want to capture this because stereo spacecraft is not updating. Let's take a little quick, see if I can get some information. Okay, there's a close-up. Perfect beam on this one right here, right there. See how quick it disappeared? But you can see barely see the beam right here. Right here, yep, solid from straight up. Enlarge it. Look at the definition and color of that. Okay, there's more images. So okay, it's an M-class 5, which is the biggest this year, and there we have it. This is a perfect picture right here. And the thing is, I'm banned from Facebook, so I can't take a look at the comet. Let's take a look. Oh, you see that? You see that? Now, this is not Earth directed, but if it was, those cell phones will not be working right now. Okay, I looked at Spaceweather earlier. It wasn't here. So this is all breaking right now. Let's see what time it is. It's gonna be 5:55 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So this just happened recently. Read some of this. Okay. The most powerful great storm of 2017. A deep shortwave radio blackout. Oh, let's check out the map. No, so this area here might experience radio blackout. Like I said, stereo is out. They went home. Let's see if Soho's updated. Take a look. Okay, the 31st. There was activity to the south earlier. They haven't given the latest picture yet. This got it at 16:42 UT time, so it's behind. So Soho is working, but they're behind. Can't wait to see the latest update on Soho when it comes out. Checking some other things. Okay, look at that NOAA. There it is right there. It's pretty big. Now, if it was Earth directed, we'd be in mucho problema right now. Okay, the radio blackout is at a 3. Okay, let's see if this shows anything. Look at that one, halo up. Nope, not updated yet. Okay, they got it at 17. See that right there? Right there and right there. Look closely. And the thing is, they won't let you zoom in, so I'm going to have to rely on some other sources. Okay, going back on Spaceweather. Damn it, man. It's too bad these blocked me from Facebook, because I could get some, because this is the latest, but it's been posted. There it is right there. Okay, there's Comet 12P, but this is, I'm looking for some sort of anti-tail development, but this probably was taken last night, which may soon have a new outburst. Remember, they were predicting the outburst 30th. Since today's the 31st, maybe it was a delay on the outburst. Maybe they miscalculated it. Maybe it happened. It was a connection. Remember, 1812, other episode. Remember the outburst. This is another one. I'm trying to see what's the latest. Let me hit solar flare here. Maybe I could get some information. Latest, 11 minutes ago. Okay, there's the beam right there. Straight up. Multiple cameras caught it. They all caught it. 20 minutes ago, nothing. Okay, back in May 17, 2013, Comet Pan-STAR. Okay, here was the orbit. Okay, it was 147 million miles away at 1.583 AUs from the sun. It was Comet 2011 L4 Pan-STAR, directly above. And it had that anti-tail, and that was M-class 3.2, but with that beam shooting right. So they connected. So they do connect, saving this information right there. And we can see here clearly E3, 22 E3 had the similar connection. And on Wikipedia, it has a description of the anti-tails. And these are the 1973, Hellbop, 1997, 1999, Lee, Luden, yeah, I did that one. And the one I just told you, 2013, and E3. So that's a total of 8 comets that have that connection with the anti-tail. And since I can't get that information, data, in other words, I'm blindfolded with one eye, we're just going to have to wait when some of the astronomers post some on Twitter X and on Spaceweather, and I'll check around other sites too that I always frequent in the past and see if they got. I'll get back to see if there's a connection. If there's a connection, and this thing is what? Here we are entering the New Year's, April. We're looking at what? January, February, March, and April. And I say around, right now there's not that much interest into it right now, but I say around February, March, there'll be a lot of interest, and then people will be trying to get as much information, history of that comet, and hopefully they'll be able to find my site and get a little history, because I'm following it and I'm reading the stories. I'm the storyteller, or I try to be the storyteller, just put it that way, because I'm not doing a fantastic job, but I'm still here, still ticking, continue this play-by-play Okay, we're jumping on NASA site, and I see the observations has gone up 5,907, but it was done on the 21st, so information's O. Let's check out the orbit. Okay, today's date, distance from the Earth is at 2.2, just round it off, and let's see where it's located at. Let's take a close look. Let's zoom in, take a close look at the yellow line. It is connected. I made the date wrong, so it is connected with the north part just slightly. Okay, here we are. There's Earth right here where my pointer's at. On the left side, looking at the sun, 12p is on the left side. And until I get some more images, I can't say. But I've always had that opinion that this thing is having an influence. Had it in the past, and it's gonna have an influence. What level influence? I don't know. But that X-class that happened today, if there is a new images come out, let's say tomorrow or the next couple of days, because sometimes it's take time to filter down, and see if I could somehow, the storyteller, been with you guys since decades and decades and decades, was supposed to have an outburst. Until next time.